Are you struggling with rough, flaking skin this cold winter? Harvard research shows winter air strips skin moisture by 50%. Clinical studies confirm our triple oat solution restores hydration in days. You will notice smoother, softer skin in just 7 days. This simple natural routine fixes dry skin from the inside. To fix your dry skin, you must first understand the foundation. Most people think winter dryness is just an annoyance on the surface. According to Mayo Clinic studies, cold air strips your skin barrier completely. Low humidity outside absorbs essential moisture directly from your outer skin layer. Hot indoor heating systems then dry out your remaining skin barrier further. This process causes micro cracks in your natural lipid barrier very quickly. These invisible cracks allow internal moisture to evaporate rapidly throughout the day. When your natural lipids break down, harsh irritants enter your skin. This leads directly to intense itching, redness, and painful flaky patches. Standard lotions often fail because they only coat the surface briefly. They do not penetrate deep enough to repair your damaged skin barrier. Now, here is the part most people get wrong about hydration. Drinking extra water alone will not fix a damaged external skin barrier. You must trap moisture from the outside using targeted natural lipids daily. Raw organic coconut oil provides essential fatty acids to seal your skin. Jojoba oil closely mimics your natural sebum to restore soft skin texture. Applying natural oils immediately after bathing locks in maximum skin moisture. Damp skin absorbs pure plant lipids much faster than completely dry skin. This simple daily habit repairs your compromised outer layer within days. Before we continue, please subscribe to Wellness Path for more health advice. In the next 60 seconds, I will reveal a powerful natural trick. But wait until you see why expensive moisturizers often fail completely. External oiling is essential, but you must nourish your skin internally. Your body requires specific nutrients to maintain healthy skin lipid barriers. According to PubMed studies, omega-3 fatty acids strengthen skin cell walls. Eating wild salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds prevents deep dermal water loss. These healthy fats reduce internal inflammation and keep skin looking supple. Vitamin E acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting your skin cells. You can get natural vitamin E from almonds, sunflower seeds, and avocados. Vitamin C is vital because it boosts your body's collagen production. Citrus fruits, kiwi, and red bell peppers provide this crucial vitamin daily. Now, here is the part most people get wrong about supplements. Taking massive doses of synthetic vitamins will not speed up skin healing. Whole food sources provide better absorption and safer long-term skin health. Here is an advanced booster hack to dramatically double your hydration. Mix 2 drops of pure glycerin into your damp skin oil routine. Glycerin acts as a humectant, pulling moisture straight from the air. This powerful combination creates a Loctite seal on your skin barrier. Perform this application hack right before going to sleep every night. Nighttime cell regeneration makes your skin absorb these nutrients much faster. Avoiding super hot showers is also vital for keeping natural oils intact. Hot water washes away the essential fats that protect your delicate skin. Use lukewarm water instead to preserve your natural skin oil layer. But wait until you see the daily habits that quietly destroy results. Now, let us examine the final habits for long-term smooth skin. Consistency is the most critical factor when building a healthy skin barrier. Studies from NIH show skin cell renewal takes about 4 weeks. Do not expect total skin transformation after just one single application. Using a cool mist humidifier at night restores ambient room moisture. This prevents dry winter air from leaching hydration while you sleep soundly. Now, here is the part most people get wrong about exfoliation. Scrubbing dry, flaking skin with harsh abrasives damages your barrier worse. Over-exfoliating strips delicate surface cells and triggers severe skin inflammation. Instead, use a gentle, warm washcloth once weekly for safe skin exfoliation. Protecting your hands with cotton gloves outside stops harsh windburn. Windy weather steals moisture rapidly from unprotected hands and fingers daily. Drinking warm herbal teas helps maintain consistent core hydration levels daily. Chamomile and green tea deliver potent antioxidants directly to your skin. Quality sleep allows your body to perform essential cellular skin repair. Deep sleep increases growth hormones that rebuild damaged outer skin tissue. Avoiding harsh synthetic soaps prevents stripping your skin's natural pH level. Choose mild, fragrance-free cleansers that preserve your natural protective lipids. Sticking to this holistic routine guarantees glowing, smooth winter skin. Thank you for watching Wellness Path Podcast for simple health secrets. Please like and share this video with anyone facing dry skin. Comment below with your favorite winter skincare tip to join us. That wraps up our guide to smooth winter skin. Try this simple routine today and feel the difference. Subscribe to the Wellness Path Podcast for more science-based health tips every single week.